ChatGPT Cash, 4 beginner ways to earn $50 a day online. Welcome to Profitability Plus, the go-to channel for unlocking online money-making secrets. In today's video, we're diving into 4 game-changing strategies using ChatGPT to boost your profits online. Let's cut the fluff and get right into it. Crafting a compelling lead magnet is a pivotal strategy for any online business aiming to expand its email list and connect with a broader audience. Leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT, coupled with ChatGPT Plus for tailored lead magnets, enables the creation of interactive and distinctive offerings, such as quizzes or games, that truly distinguish your brand. Step 1. Ideation for your lead magnet. Commence by determining the type of lead magnet that resonates with your audience. Consider the relevance to your niche, the values of your audience, and what unique and engaging content you can provide. Step 2. Crafting your lead magnet content with ChatGPT. Once you have your concept, it's time to bring it to life. Here's our approach. Define the structure. Opt for an 8-step game with choices influencing the outcome, each step representing a stage in the entrepreneurial journey. Content creation. Utilize ChatGPT to formulate descriptions for each stage and multiple choices for players. Maintain a key tone. Visual enhancement. Enhance the experience by incorporating images for each step, generating using DALL-E, an additional AI tool aligning with the game's theme. And for the step 3, Forminator form setup on WordPress. After curating your lead magnet content, establish a means to capture leads and present your offering interactively. Here's how you can achieve this using Forminator and WordPress. Number 1. Install Forminator plugin. If not installed, activate the Forminator plugin in your WordPress site. Create a new form. Access Forminator in your WordPress dashboard. Create a new form to capture user information before they embark on the game. Customize your form, incorporating fields for collecting desired information, ensuring compliance with GDPR and other data protection regulations. Integrate your lead magnet. Embed the game or quiz created with ChatGPT into your WordPress site. This can be done by direct embedding on a page or creating a pop-up triggered upon form submission. Set up email responses. Configure Forminator to send automated email responses to users, including their score, outcome, or a personalized message based on their answers. A thank you page. Optionally, direct users to a thank you page after submission for further engagement or offers. Step 4. Testing and launching. Before going live, rigorously test your form and lead magnet to ensure seamless functionality. Once satisfied, launch it on your site and promote it across your marketing channels for maximum reach and impact. Now, on to email marketing, a potent tool for direct communication. Start an email newsletter and let ChatGPT assist you in generating endless email ideas and refining your content. It's a breeze to streamline this crucial process. Let's explore practical steps to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT, enhancing your email campaigns for exceptional results. First, accelerate email creation. Effortlessly speed up your email creation process by utilizing ChatGPT as your creative companion. From welcome emails to newsletters, ChatGPT streamlines content creation. Provide a brief description or keywords, and watch as it generates creative subject lines, headings, or even complete email drafts. Use these suggestions as a foundation, saving time and effort. For example, you can input this. Number 2. Data-driven customer insights. Leverage ChatGPT's data analysis capabilities to gain profound insights into your audience. Feed it to customer data and let ChatGPT identify trends and preferences. Tailor your email content to resonate with your target audience based on these valuable insights. For example, you can identify an audience segment interested in eco-friendly products and create a targeted email campaign promoting your sustainable product line. Number 3. Targeted segmentation lists. Enhance your email relevance by using ChatGPT to create targeted segmentation lists. Segment based on demographics, behavior, or engagement levels. Tailor emails for each group to improve conversions and customer satisfaction. For example, you can create segments like this and develop tailored campaigns for each group. Number 4. Elevate email content quality. Elevate the quality of your email content with ChatGPT. From catchy introductions to compelling calls to action, ChatGPT generates ideas that you can refine. Craft engaging and persuasive emails that capture your audience's attention. For example, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas on welcoming new subscribers and refine the suggestion to align with your brand's voice. Product descriptions can make or break your e-commerce game. Rather than copying from suppliers, stand out by asking ChatGPT to rewrite a competitor description uniquely for your store. It's a simple yet effective way to shine in a sea of similar products. For step 1, you can analyze customer reviews by mood. The first step focuses on organizing customer reviews by mood, utilizing GPT 3.5's ability to identify positive, neutral, or negative language in Amazon reviews. It's essential to ensure the output aligns with the actual reviews pasted into the system due to potential quirks in GPT 3.5's processing. Then, copy and paste this prompt. Step 2. Organize positive reviews by use. In this step, positive reviews are organized based on use cases mentioned by customers. This approach aligns with typical product description structures that highlight features. Users can specify the mood, either positive, neutral, or negative, and the character of organization. Then, copy and paste this prompt. Step 3. Generate your product description. In the final step, GPT 3.5 is prompted to craft a product description based on the analyzed reviews. Users can specify the desired word length, structure, mood, and characteristics for a tailored output. Additional instructions on tone, voice, and reading level can be included. Then, copy and paste this prompt. Feel free to modify the prompts to experiment with different characteristics and moods to enhance the results. The chat format in ChatGPT allows for iterative refinement, providing a dynamic and insightful tool for optimizing product descriptions. Now, let's talk about blog article ideas. ChatGPT can be your brainstorming buddy, providing ideas and even outlines for your articles. Remember, it's essential to edit and personalize the content to ensure originality and optimal SEO. Number 1. Craft a content plan. Initiate your blog by defining your niche and target audience. Opt for a niche you're passionate about and seek topic ideas from ChatGPT, tailoring content to your chosen theme. Here are some best prompts. Number 2. Research keywords. Leverage ChatGPT for generating short or long-tail keywords based on your blog post's title. Enhance accuracy by combining ChatGPT with SEO tools for metrics like search volume and trends. And here are some best prompts. Number 3. Analyze content gap with competitors. Employ ChatGPT to analyze competitors' articles, extracting keywords, backlinks, and additional topic suggestions to fortify your SEO strategy. Take a look at these prompts. Number 4. Build topic clusters. Utilize ChatGPT to group keywords into relevant topic clusters, enhancing your blog's coverage and search intent fulfillment. Here is the best prompt. Number 5. Make a blog post outline. Generate a comprehensive blog post outline using ChatGPT, specifying word count, target audience, style, tone, and format for a more tailored results. Here are some prompts you can explore. Number 6. Generate full content. Expand each section of your blog post individually with ChatGPT, specifying keywords for context. Here are some best prompts. Number 7. Add frequently asked questions. Include a FAQ section for user experience, search engine snippets, organic search benefits, and credibility. Use ChatGPT to generate facts and manually fact-check answers. Take a look at this prompt. Number 8. Search engine optimization. Optimize your blog post with meta tags, schema markup, alt text, and internal links using ChatGPT for streamlined SEO strategies. Here are some prompts you can explore. And number 9. Promote using social media posts and newsletters. Extend your reach through social media and newsletters by utilizing ChatGPT for generating promotional content with relevant hashtags and keywords. And here are the best prompts for that. Thanks for joining us today, Profit Earners. This is Profitability Plus. If you like this video, check out the rest about earning money in the comfort of your own home. Subscribe to Profitability Plus and make sure you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.